Okay, yeah,
Just
we
give
are
me a
live.
second. Just give me a second. So
Yes, it's showing live.
we will be like,
Okay,
like, yeah. Just give me a second. So yes,
yeah, sure.
it's showing live. Right? We will be live. We are live, right? All right. We should not record, right? Like no use of that.
Yeah.
So I will. Yeah, sure. So you were telling something. Okay, this was a calendar which you have created.
Yeah.
Nice, 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 nice. Share it with me and have a editable as well.
Okay.
So like duplicate also give the permissions actually.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
There it is there. Yeah. So if you just give me, right, give me the access. So
like here, duplicate. How
yeah,
can I
it
do
is there. It
duplicate?
is there. It is there.
And publish.
Yeah, yeah. Perfect. You can just
Please
copy the link.
copy the link. Share as a duplicate as a template. This is enough, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Just share the link which you have.
Sure. Yeah.
Share in the group itself, not in
Yeah.
the
I'm
chat.
sharing. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Okay. I will look into it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
There is something. Yeah. So how you are feeling it now? Like time blocking, everything is there now.
Yeah. By doing this, I can plan my specific day at particular time. Like I can focus. I can do like deep work at that particular time.
Mhm. All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it is good enough, right? Like if you just filter it out by device, so you can
Mhm.
just timer, you can categorize yourself priorly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So so this is what all about, Rakesh. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So what we need to discuss today? Can I just
Uh, so today, like just I mentioned the work time only. I divide that time blocking into what I'm learning. Like if I learning Excel, I will before uh, before day only. I will like a time block every time what I'm doing. I will fix the time and which I'm time resting also. Fix in the time block notion and start doing work on Excel and presentation. I will mention everything in that time block. What I'm do right now, I'm using started to use right now. No? So I'm customized that one according to myself.
so
And
what
yeah,
I wanted to ask you is, okay, this is what from a notion we are doing, right?
yeah,
And so think about See, when you get the free time, right? Like medium task, like when you are relaxed somewhere,
Yeah.
like just think about it. Like in the 30 minutes, block yourself. What kind of a features that we will be going to build, okay, as a software, okay?
Okay.
Are you
Okay.
understanding? So this software will be like understanding about more about the users perspective.
Mm,
So let's say we will collect this particular data, okay,
okay.
first based upon their energy levels.
Okay. Yeah.
So we will be going to have like a custom solutions like chatbot,
Okay.
like how the peoples are just asking, right? Like
Yeah.
what's like in a day, how many hours you wanted to block yourself
Mm,
is uh, let's say 8 to 12 o'clock, 8 to
mm,
12 p.m., 12 p.m. basically.
mm, yeah.
So basically something like that. So you need to like come out with the features, okay? Like
Okay.
what kind of a things we have to ask first, then so that we can build a custom agents for that.
Okay.
So we can build us one desktop app where
Okay.
and me can create some solutions out of it.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
whatever the tasks are there, whatever you are blocking, right? Something you are doing here, right?
Yeah.
Some tasks you are editing, you may delete that particular thing.
Yes.
Let's say if it is completed, it will be going to in completed task stage to,
Yeah.
progress, in progress to done or pending, something like that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
So we have to build a custom solution out of it.
Okay.
So we will be the first users to build this particular app.
Okay.
So later on something we will do it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Or so this is what the thing is all about. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
After yesterday, I was the live before going to bed only. I was the live. I noted down the what are the important points we discussed also.
okay.
Yeah. And in that, I think we are. Yeah. Yeah. I think we focused on like understanding understanding the projects, applying small projects on data on all kind of domains. What I am doing, if I learning Excel, if I learning with a particular concept I'm learning, how can you apply on different domains? You said that to do that. Are you getting me, Akash?
Can you repeat once again what you
Uh,
wanted to you are saying?
uh, you said that yesterday. If you learn one concept on Excel or anything, try to do on into different domains.
Uh, yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Are you catching the point? Yesterday we talked about that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So what
yeah,
questions you have in your mind?
yeah.
What doubt you
Uh,
have in that?
I don't know. Just I'm recalling that one. Just recalling it.
Okay.
I don't have any doubts. Just recalling that. This is in the session. This is the important we talked about yesterday. I have like we have I have like 10 points we had in test important points in session. This is the most important point we have. That's right. I
See,
can
now
and
I will give you a simple example, right?
yeah,
Let's say there is one particular use case where uh, number of patients are getting less, right?
yeah, yeah.
So how this particular function will help for this particular use case,
Okay,
right?
right.
And let's say how the clumsy data can help in for you,
Yeah, yeah,
right? You need
right.
to think about that.
Yeah,
So how you will perform and what are the steps you are taking for solve that particular problem,
right,
right? So
right.
if I wanted to solve this particular problem, how much percentage of the business can take in
Yeah,
and what kind of a value it will be bringing?
yeah,
Got it?
yeah. Got it. Um. So what we want to focus on today?
Today you need to focus upon learning a skill. Of course, you
Okay.
wanted to learn a skill and observe the
Yeah,
energy levels first,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Which kind of a task you can do the great,
At
got it?
this time.
In which time and what kind of a task you can allocate it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Um.
this is what the thing is.
Okay, after after this session, actually yesterday I called on this particular rule I want to apply. After the end of this session, we'll talk about it. Just I want to remember that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So give me some time, like 2 hours or 3 hours. I did not took a proper sleep. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
So give me 2 3 hours time. We can connect back to like you can just book a slot. Let me know. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
After you book the second time, right?
Okay. If I want to book second time, which time I want to book?
Like in the afternoon. In the afternoon you can book it.
Can you have any specific time, like 3 or 4
No, no,
or
no.
two?
In the afternoon there is no specific timings. You can book anytime.
Okay.
Like I will get freshen up. That is what I wanted to.
When you have your lunch, like regularly, what is your lunch time?
Like 3:30 actually.
3
3:34.
that it's go to 3:30 lunchtime.
Yeah.
You have to set timings on that now.
No, like I don't put my timings into the 1 o'clock usually. No,
Okay,
don't
okay,
do that.
okay,
Basically, I have a lot of another work to proceed with that. I have client meetings, this thing, that,
okay,
and all
okay,
this stuff.
okay.
So
Got
it
it.
takes a lot of time, right? So
Yeah.
a lot of commitments are there, a lot of things are there.
So sure.
So one is the client allocations, client project tasks that need to finalized. After that,
Okay.
business plan need to finalized. Lot of things are there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is what
Oh,
the thing is all about. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you have lack of sleep now.
Yeah, not an issue. So my
Okay.
energy level will be not at all less. All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So think about it. This is a I am calling you on a mobile number. Mobile number in your call. Okay.
Okay.
So I will be a recruiter, right?
Okay.
Am I speaking with Rakesh?
Yes. I'm Rakesh.
So is that good time to talk?
Yes. Yes, it is a
So,
good time to talk.
yeah. So, can you just brief me about yourself? Before proceeding, before introducing yourself, I will give a couple of uh, brief about our company. Hi, Rakesh.
Okay.
Our company name is like Techno Park Solutions Private Limited,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we are looking at it, data analyst, where someone can uh, bring in the values, who can build as like dashboards using Excel or something like that. Then,
Mm-hmm.
if possible, we can have it build a dashboard using Power BI or something. So currently, the requirement is more on Excel part, right?
Mm-hmm.
So can you just brief me about your introduction part? What are the things you have done like that?
Yeah. Yeah. Hi, my name is Rakesh. I have done my graduation from Master's College in a computer science of engineering. I'm working on an Excel project where we build dashboards according to the domain I'm using, and I like we have used a lot of techniques cleaning and visualization the data. This helps the company to understand what is the problem they're facing in the previous past, and how we can solve in the present. This is I'm working on right now. I think this help with your with your what you're facing problem. Yeah,
No, I'm not facing problem. Basically, we are looking forward for in a candidate who can build a dashboard. Basically,
yeah.
that's great.
Like
That's great to have it.
yeah,
So, can you just walk me through which kind of a domain, kind of a stuffs you are working upon? So it will help me out.
yeah. Right now I'm doing domain on insurance domain. It's where every year we get lots of clients from the agents. So each agent have a different various so many customers. So
Oh, you
we are
mean to say
filtering.
it's a insurance domain, right?
Yeah,
You mean to say insurance only. Okay,
yeah,
all right, all right.
yeah,
I
and
got the point. Like,
yeah,
I will call you back, okay, regarding the further process. So thanks for your time, Rakesh. So
yeah.
we'll
Thank you.
get back to you,
Yeah.
right? So
Here,
little by little,
one
yeah,
thing I
little by,
observed.
yeah, little by
Uh,
little you are improving, right? In the introduction part,
yeah, yeah.
like, right?
So I think something funny happened now. When I said about insurance part, I think the recruiter is not related to that insurance part domain. No, so you quickly wrap up the this call. No? I think that is happened right now. No.
Right now, what is happening is, see, so if you are not if you are not explaining into the depth, right, any topic,
Yeah.
so any person cannot understand. You are giving a context to them
Hmm. Yeah.
to more get interested into your project or whatever it is, right?
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
You got the point, right?
Yeah.
So this is the thing actually,
Yeah.
right? So when we wanted to talk about something, right? So let's get started. Before proceeding this, just let's get started with storytelling. We will not
Yeah.
focus on PPT today, presentation, but
Yeah. Actually, I'm not prepared also because yesterday I totally focused on this.
Yeah, fine, fine, fine. So you can just have a storytelling of any kind of anime or something like that.
Okay,
You present your screen, uh, explain something, or
sure. I want to check. Can you give me a minute?
will
I'm
gives the
yeah,
better idea, right?
yeah, sure. Just give a minute. Right now, I having story what I'm doing audio recording.
Okay.
Just it is a 1 minute, but I try to do in more explicit way. Okay, okay, Akash.
I didn't
I try
understand
to.
what you were telling.
I will. I'm posting some audio files in group now. Some 1 minute story what I'm posting. I will say that story only.
Okay.
Okay.
So it should understandable. Okay.
Yeah.
So
This time I given so many tries, but I will this time I will give better result compared to what I did past. Okay. I'm sharing the screen now.
yeah, yeah, sure, 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 do it.
Wait. Can you see Akash?
Yeah, I can see right now.
I'm starting Akash.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah.
Just
Okay. Hi, my name is Rakesh. Today we are starting. Let me tell you a story. It's all started on a day when a humans all over the world turned to stone. Taiju, a high schooler, had a crush on his friend Yuzira and decided that he had to tell her how he felt. He even asked for support from his friend Senku, who offered a love potion that was actually just a bottle of gasoline to help Taiju widow. Refused the trick. Taiju refused the trick. And when he finally told Yuzira his feelings, a mysterious light appeared. Taiju got petrified, means he became rock. Thousands of years later, he found himself in a world where civilization was long gone. He found his friend Senku, who was also petrified 6 months prior, and he decided to rebuild the civilization using their scientific knowledge. Their main goal was to find a way to save Uzira, and who was also petrified. While working, they discovered a mysterious fluid that was nitric acid, which was the key lifting to petrification. They also discovered a third person, Tsukasa, another high schooler who had a woke up from petrification. Taiju, a physically strong person, focused on doing the heavy work, while Shenko was in charge of strategy. They planned to create a new civilization from the scratch and save their friend Uzira, who was still in the stone form. Taiju, fluid by his desire to confess his love, was very hardworking. Yeah, Akash, it's done.
So, have you engaged with an audience? So, when you
No.
are saying something right, it has to
Yeah.
feel. Someone has to understand. So,
Okay.
like say some words you are telling, right? So it has
Yeah.
to be felt, feel something like that. Let's say
Okay.
if I'm if I wanted to tell something here now, right?
Oh,
So I will tell you. So I have not prepared for this particular whatever the story is all about. So I will tell you,
yeah.
okay, by looking at it. Okay,
Uh,
everyone.
I, I will tell the story
Yeah.
syntax. Actually, this story, how it started, like,
No, 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 no. I will tell
yeah.
you. Okay. So I will tell you. Let's say
Okay.
you know the, the story of that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But if you don't speak up and if you don't present it in a way that everyone understands it, right?
Okay.
In
Yeah.
a way that no one understands it, so
Mm.
it's very hard to engage with an audience, right? They will be
Yeah.
loosen the interests. Okay. So okay. Let me tell
Yeah.
you a
Sure.
story. So hey everyone, today in this particular presentation or today in this particular session, I will be going to tell you a story. I will tell you a story.
Okay.
It's all started on a day when humans all over the world were stolen.
Yeah.
Teju, a high schooler, had a crush on his friend, that is Yuzuriha,
Mm-hmm.
and decided that he had to tell her how he felt.
Mm-hmm.
And he even asked for support from his friend Senku,
Mm-hmm.
who offered a love potion that was actually just a bottle on gas online
Mm-hmm.
to help him confess.
Mm-hmm.
Teju refused the trick, and when he finally told Yuzuriha his feelings, a mysterious light appeared.
Mm-hmm.
Teju got petrified, and along with Yuzuriha, when he finally woke up thousands of years later,
Mm-hmm.
he found himself in a world where civilization was long gone, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the main goal was find a way to save Yuzuriha, who was also petrified.
Yeah.
While working, they discover a mysterious fluid that was a nitric acid, which was key to lifting the petrification. They
Mm-hmm.
also discovered a third person, Zugasa, another high schooler who had also woken up from petrification.
Mm-hmm.
They planned to create a new civilization from scratch and save the friend Yuzuriha, who was still in the stone form. Teju fueled his desire, confessed his love, was very hardworking. What do you think of this story so far? Did you think why this kind of a storytelling will help any audience to connect with it?
Yeah. Like, we can connect more audience to
If you
engage.
don't feel, okay, if you don't feel,
Yeah.
you will not get the thoughts of what kind of a things I can add it. So let's say
Mm,
it's all started on a humans who world turned into a stone, right? So
yeah.
introduction part, how story should be coming, right? There is a
Yeah.
mountain, a stone is coming, that is like it start all a day, like there is a day, sunlight is
Mm,
happening, right? What you can
yeah.
visualize it. I'm seeing a
Uh,
video altogether. If I'm relating
yeah.
this right,
Yeah.
the story is there, right? So I'm
Yeah.
relating it to some story, some
Mm,
video, some video is running in my mind,
yes.
right?
Sure.
It's all started with a day.
Yeah.
Sunlight has happening, growing, and when humans all over the world turn to stone, there is a human altogether. There are people, sort of people, who become a stone,
Mm,
right?
yes.
Some kind of an imagination, right?
Yeah.
Altogether. So,
Yeah.
how do you feel this particular thing?
Right. It's more actionable and expressive. When you're telling, the story is running in my mind.
Yes, yes, you are feeling that story. If you are not feeling that story, how
Mm,
do you think that will help?
yes.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Gash. I'm there.
So, right now, can you just tell me in an Excel
Yeah.
part,
Okay.
this was a storytelling all about, then learning a skill part that I am focusing about, how is your approach? Let's say I will give you one particular use case. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say there is a data of your uh, just share your that data is there no with you, that agents particularly.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, just show me that particular data, no?
Sure.
Yeah. So I will give you particular use case. Try to think about it at the last as a last tasks for you. Okay.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yeah, I'm opening. Just give me time. Just give a minute. Yeah. I'm sharing the screen.
Okay. So when when it comes to date, right?
Yeah.
DDMMYY. Can you just scroll up? Can you just scroll up?
Yeah.
First, what will you do that? Let's say in order to check the type of the data, right? Particular column type, column type.
Mhm.
I need to check the type of a data of
Okay.
low no claim bonus.
Mm, uh, I don't know.
Shall I tell you?
Yeah.
So go to the data, go to data menu,
Okay.
go to home. Home option is there, no? After
Uh,
file, after file there is a home.
Home. I file home. Okay.
Yes, yes.
It sounded like home. I'm like it sounded like home. Yeah. Yeah, guys.
View. We go to view, no?
You. Okay.
View.
Yeah, guys. You. Okay.
How would you check the type of a data?
Like by
Let's say if I
review.
am,
Yeah, guys.
yeah, if I'm selecting particular value, right?
Yeah.
Let's say this value, 46,000 or 4,60,000,
Yeah.
right? How will
Yeah.
you, uh, which kind of a type of data it is? How will you check?
Mm-hmm. Review.
Which kind of an Excel you are using? Which version?
Uh, it's latest version only. Uh, like how can I know which version I'm using?
There is a box icon, right? Upper file. Yeah.
This. Yeah.
Here I don't know. Okay. I will just show you. Okay. How you can get the data at least.
Yeah. I want to stop the screen.
No, no, no. I will tell you. Just a minute.
Okay.
Just give me a
Yeah.
second.
Yeah. Sure.
So you need to check first of all this kind of a data first of all, right?
Okay. Sure. I'm noting the points.
So first you need to see which kind of a data it is.
Yeah.
Is it a number? Is it a currency? Yes, I got the point. In a home itself, there is a go to home. There is a can you see the general tab there? General. Yes. General
General.
dialog box. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
what the type of a data it represents. All right. So let's say,
Yes.
can you just show me the where is the amount currency?
Currency. Yes. Here.
Not there, yeah. I'm asking about where is the column here in this particular sheet? Where is the currency part?
This is
Where
the
is the
currency.
amount? Yeah. So select from 11,827 to whole column. Just whole column. Don't do that. Don't do that. It
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
mess up the data.
Yes.
Just select call whole value. Yeah, fine. So go to home, select the general, select the general
Okay.
and change the currency. Change the type of data here. Select that. Select the
Currency.
currency, change the dollar to rupees.
Dollar to rupees.
Rupees. Yes, rupees. More accounting formats. Yes. Yes, change it. No, select that. Select. There will be a Indian search. Can we do that?
I'm trying, but it's not such. Like I want to simply scroll.
It will come. It will come.
Yeah.
Rupee. Right?
Sanskrit.
Rupees. In Sanskrit, it is there, no?
Yeah. Actually, it is in the rupees only. I think okay, it's in dollars actually.
No, no. Not in Marathi.
If you also there.
Not in Sanskrit
Uh,
as well.
Indian rupee.
India, India. Scroll down. Hindi rupees.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes. So now it's done, right?
yeah.
Can you select right now? Is there any kind of an option that you can see? Yes, it is done. Can you just select it?
This one.
Hit enter. Hit enter.
Yeah,
Nothing is happening.
no.
Go back. Go back. Go back.
Yeah,
I will show you. Okay. You are not understanding what I am telling. Okay.
yeah.
Select 11,827 only. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to home. Go to home. Go to home. Home menu first. Second. Second menu. Yeah. Yeah. It is in the thing. Same. So here you need to select the type of a currency. Accounting, not an accounting. Currency, right? Currency you
Yeah,
need to change, right?
yeah.
We don't need to change accounting. Here we need to
Yes,
change the currency, dollar into the rupees. So how will you
yes.
do? Below there is a option called accounting there. So
Yeah.
select and change it to rupees. More accounting formats. Select dollar to rupees.
Dollar to rupees. Okay. In,
Can you check with the dollar first? Let's say, try with the dollar first now.
actually, it is in the dollar only.
Choose category. Accounting, it should be not accounting, right? Category, see here, in the number, it should be a currency.
Yeah, it's in the currency.
Yes. So,
And it's in the dollar.
dollar. So just select this. It is an
Yeah.
actual number, right? So try to fill in some values to rupees now. Change the symbol, dollar to rupees.
Okay.
India will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
So D F M N O. It is not there. Okay.
Yeah, it should be here.
No, no, no. Forget it. Scroll down, scroll down. Hindi is there, no?
English
Hindi,
India is
English India. Yes, yes. English India.
yeah.
Yes. So it is coming now. Right.
It's
Select that.
coming. But yeah, I selected. Done.
Decimal places. How much decimal places you want? Zero
Yeah.
or one?
Zero.
Okay. Can we do hit enter now?
Yes, I done here. Enter. Yeah.
Alignment, font, check it.
Yeah.
General, check it. No. Left, right, how much you want? Left it in, right it in.
Yeah.
So why it is what is happening? Shall I tell you?
Yeah.
There is a comma altogether there,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So because of that, it is not able to take the type of data, first of all.
Okay. Okay. I want to
First,
remove the comma.
first whole column has to be converted into a rupees currency format, right?
Okay.
Number
Yeah.
one, type of a data is general.
Yeah.
right? It is not at all type of a data is not good enough.
Yeah.
Can you just select on 26,087?
Yes.
Go to home, home. Yeah. So it is a it is
Um.
showing me accounting.
Yeah.
It should be currency, right?
Yes.
Yes. Here you need to change. Change the number to currency here. Formatting options. Number is there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So change currency to something that Indian things that you need to pay.
Yeah.
INR or rupee. Are you not able to search it?
Yes, I am not able to search. Yeah, that's why it's taking time. I
Yes.
don't know why.
Currency. See, I'm literally amazed why the thing is not happening with you. I'm same thing I'm doing in my end, right?
You are using like application or like you are using in the browser?
In a standalone application itself, it can change.
Okay.
It can change according to my particular thing.
I think I want to change into application.
I don't know how the things is working in your end.
Yeah, because it is
See.
browser.
See,
It's
one
like
thing is
working.
comma here, 11,827.
Yeah,
Can you just remove the comma, 11,827?
sure.
This is one particular thing. Just give me a second.
Here I got rupees now.
Now you got, right?
Yes.
How did you got?
I, when I hit enter, I got the rupees.
Yes, the same thing you need to do it. So that's why whenever you take one particular data, whole thing you need to select it. You need to change the type of data. Go to home,
Yeah.
change the type of data, that is thing to currency. Then
Yes.
you need to uh, change the format, that is a currency.
Okay.
Select currency, which kind of a currency that you want.
Sorry, Akash.
Go slowly. You need to catch a train, another train, or like how is it?
Uh, I want, in,
Yes, in format cells, it is a number.
yeah.
You need to hit enter, right?
After removing comma, um, when I'm hitting enter, it's happening.
Yes. So the
Uh,
problem,
how t- how do I remove these commas at a time?
so there is a some in the home tab, there is a particular thing, options.
Okay.
In home, there
Okay.
is a dollar is there, right? Currency with the currency,
Yeah.
there is a option.
Okay.
Comma is also there, right? Here.
Yeah. Yeah.
You need to remove that at a time.
Okay. In dollar.
After that, there
Here,
is percentage, percentage. After that, there is a comma.
yeah, okay, got it. Why still it's not comma? No, it's not remain.
So that's why I'm telling first, whenever you are taking anything, right? It got removed for whole thing, all the data got removed, changed it to some random values now. The
Hmm.
it was uh rupees before, right? Change it to currency, dollar. It got converted into the dollar, right? The same thing you need to do for 6,632 to rest of the values. Are you getting the type of
Yes,
data from 6,632 to another one is another type. It is
yeah,
a currency. You need to change the format here. See, it is taking lot of another thing. See here. I will give
yes, yes,
the context here.
yeah,
6,000, just select the 6,632, not whole column.
okay,
Are you getting?
yes. But at a time, it's won't happening there.
So what you need to do, you need to fix whenever you are creating something, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm listening.
Just give me a second. So what you can do is uh, just check it how we can remove,
Yeah, I will figure it out.
how we can remove the comma.
Yeah,
Now I will show you. See, now I will share my screen. All right. So there is no commas altogether in this.
okay.
So this is the data. You can see my screen.
Yeah,
Right? You can see that.
yes,
So another thing I will tell you. Okay, you share your screen. There is another thing that I will tell you. Share your screen.
yeah,
There is an option. uh, Yes, I will request now. Accept it.
yeah. Approved.
You have approved? Yes.
Yes.
So now I got the access of your sheet now, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So here, let's say if I am having this one, right?
Hmm.
So I will just same thing. I will replicate for rest of 4,207.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. I got it.
What I did? It got repeated 23,907 only. Problem.
Yeah, it's replicated.
Why? Because the type of a data this is having is different.
Hmm. Yeah.
See, for me, the type of a data, see now here currency is there.
Okay.
Currency, now you have to change it to some another value. Let's say two more accounting formats. Accounting to currency. We should not should be the accounting. It should be a currency.
Yeah.
Select this. Now search for rupee. Are we able to search? No. No, right?
Uh, in your application, there is a search option.
See, now you don't want this one, right? You
Yeah.
don't want any desk as well. They have supported so many things
Okay.
in it.
Yeah. Nice.
Currency, yes, we will hit zero. Alignment, font, border. You can select the border as well here.
No.
Okay, number, currency. Let's say if I'm these whole values are there. Just for an example, I am taking.
Okay.
Okay. So let me just give me a second. Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a something called as edit option is there. I want find and replace. Okay.
Mhm.
So in order to do that, what is an option here? I want view. I will see. I will check. There
Mm.
is something called as find and replace.
Okay.
So using that, just give me a second. Okay. I'm just checking view. Uh, See this one. Control F, find comma,
Okay.
replace with the what? Nothing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Are you getting?
Yeah. Control F. Yeah. Replace with a comma.
Nothing. I don't want it to replace with nothing.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Fine. Next.
So find all the things are there.
Yeah.
If I do something like this, what will happen?
Like it will
Everything will
replace with
replace it
another.
with the
What you replaced?
everything replace will the what?
I want to replace. Like I want to mention something. No. Replace with.
See here within selection. See
Okay.
within selection, direction, insert with what it some values are there. Let's
Yeah.
say I'll just give you the one particular thing now. Okay.
Okay.
I will give you some understanding pretty much. Okay. This
Okay.
particular value is there. I need to find 11,000, 15,540. Right. This
Yeah.
thing I need to find it.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. I will figure out another alternative way. There is a lot of
Sure.
values, right? We cannot do at the once.
Yeah.
Are you understanding now problem?
Yes. Yes.
So can you just find the way? So my data is like ask the data. This is
Mm-hmm.
what I have.
Mm-hmm.
I need to remove the comma all at once.
Yeah.
40 in the column. You want to remove comma all at once. Just give me a second. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Akash.
Come up with something. So what you can do is, okay,
Okay.
there is something called as function
Okay.
equal to substitute this value. Which one value? How can you do this? Search option within a workbook. Find what? Comma. Match case. Wherever the comma is there, right?
Yeah.
So what I wanted to do, replace it with what? Nothing.
Mm. Yes.
So can we replace one particular thing? Shall I show you?
Yeah, sure.
So let's see. Remote.
Oh, actually,
Are you getting?
yeah, getting, but it is not replaced now.
Before one it got replaced. See now premium base. Let's say if I am replacing it, it got removed. See another part it got find it found out.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
now
yeah,
I will tell you this one part.
yeah.
Now
Here it's replaced. Yeah,
it got removed this one as well.
yeah, yeah.
Right. Let's say if I show you for this, Control F, right? Find and replace with nothing and replace it.
Replace.
Replaced. It got replaced.
Yeah, yes.
Right.
Okay, got it, got it.
So what you need to do is see in this part, let's say bring in the value where it was. Let's say this is one, right? Control Shift downward arrow. Whole data it will select. Control F,
Mm,
find and replace. Comma is there. Replace it with what? Nothing.
yes,
What I will
replace,
do? Replace.
replace.
It got replaced, right? Whole thing.
Yes, yeah. Whole thing. No,
So what you need to do is, I will just
control
show
shift
you.
downward arrow.
Some of the values it got removed. Some of the values it didn't remove, right?
Just it's only
Control F.
remove for only particular value only. It's not
Yes.
removing the whole column.
Find all. So there is a something called as find all.
Yeah,
These are the values.
yeah,
Okay.
yes,
Are you getting? So can
yes.
we
I'm
remove
getting.
one by one?
It's right. Take a lot of time. One by one column you're saying, or one by one
So let's
value
say
you're
I
saying.
will show you replace all.
Yeah.
What will happen? It got removed,
Yes, it's remote now. What
right?
you selected is remote. Yeah.
Yes. Everything has got removed. So now you got an
Yes.
opportunity now
Yeah.
to change the this particular number
Uh,
format. Change it
currency.
to the number, change it to the currency.
See?
See now it is a dollar.
Yeah, yeah.
Just change it to some why? Because it was not changing. The type of a data which you
Mm-hmm.
are having is a general.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. It's a default by general only now.
So it will be in general. So you need to change it to now this
Yeah.
thing, show it to your father, then he will be
Okay.
amazed, right? Why
Yeah.
you did something amazing.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So see now, did you learn something now today?
Yeah, yeah. We want to figure it out, like we try exploring more so we can more get more
Yes.
options to try it out.
It got changed.
Yes, now it's got
Why
changed.
did this one didn't change? Do you know that?
Actually, because it is left indent, no?
It is not having comma here.
Okay. Yeah.
We don't want anything now. Okay, I will just show you. Enter. It got changed. Like
Yeah.
we had not selected that particular column. Okay.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
problem is that. Okay. Now I will show
Yeah.
you for this as well. how you need to do.
Okay.
So you do the for the rest of premium base, you do it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This one we have not selected it, right?
Mhm. Yes.
So I will select this one whole thing. So this is a general type, right?
For like this selecting you, what key you using
I'm using my hands.
I'm not I'm telling like that. Okay.
Using my hands.
I like generally I will do
No,
this,
no, no, no,
but
no. What it will happen? I will show you. Okay. This is a thing. Plus icon, doctor symbol,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
You have to select this one. Like
Okay,
this, you have to select. If you
got it.
select at the like at the end, what will happen? The rest of the values will be replicating that.
Yes.
Rest of the values will be having a same values, right?
Right. Yeah.
So number two, what you need to do is select this general to
Okay. Yeah, yeah,
currency, currency, right?
yeah. Currency.
Currency. Then change in.
Yeah, it's now changing the values. Yes.
We have not selected, so that was a issue actually. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say let's select something, some Hindi one. Yeah, English one is also there.
Yeah.
You can select that. You are seeing any difference here? If you
I
see,
think numbers it's not changing. It's the remaining the same only. According dollar and rupees also
if you are
same. Just
if you are writing English India
yeah.
rupee, so it is giving so much good spaces, right?
Mm,
Let's see.
mm,
So if I'm just selecting this one, and if I'm just selecting Hindi to English, are you observing anything here?
yes, Akash. But I think. Wait a second. I want to check here. Here the values are like shift down. Um, here when I
So spacing, it is not creating consistency here.
and
Dollar,
actually
dollar, it got changed to
when
dollar.
I it's changed to dollar. Actually, the according to the 15,000 in dollar, it's not changing into the Indian rupees now.
I will tell you what is happening here. It is changing the
Yeah.
currency. It is not changing the
Yes.
value of the amount. Are you getting?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it is not changing the value.
Mm,
Let's say $1 is 80 rupees. You need to tell these are the values. You have to compute this one. Actions.
yeah.
So it is a currency is rupees only, right? Why you need to have it?
Mm,
Are you getting?
yes.
You need to compute something, right?
Yeah. So what can I do like to get the accurate value of like 15,000 example?
That is your task now. You have to find it out now.
Yeah, sure. I will.
So you learn something. You are not applying in this particular data now.
Yeah.
I showed it to you. This is a
Yeah.
particular data, right? So how will
Yes.
you? Uh, so I will give you one particular tasks. Okay.
Okay.
One another thing I will show you. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Shall I show you?
Yes, sure.
Just give me a second. I will change it to this rupees first. Where is the rupees?
కాలేదన్న ఇంకా.
Hmm, here. All right. So
Yeah.
another thing is my requirement is now same thing you do for a date, change the date format.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
That also should I show you for one
No,
particular
no, no. I will figure it out. I
I
will
will
figure
do
it out.
for policy from date. You do it for
Okay.
to date. Okay.
Uh,
Check it.
you want it
General
format into like a month, date,
date.
year. Yes, no? Month, date, year.
So how the format select here? Which kind of a format it is? So here
Uh,
it is telling local. Local means location. So you
yeah.
need to select India.
Yes.
Select India. I can't control. Can you just change it to India?
Sure.
Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down,
Actually, why the cursor is not working yet?
scroll down, scroll
I
down,
will simply
scroll down.
it's
I
like
you need to take right India.
I yeah,
Scroll up, scroll up.
Hindi.
Not taking.
Location is showing Hindi. I can select Hindi now. No.
Oh, what thing you will understand from the Hindi?
Yes,
The
sure.
format. Scroll down. English, English, English. Location.
English,
Yes.
United English. We want English in India. That's why what we are searching.
Yes, yes, yes. English, India, India.
Yeah, yeah,
Upper one
yeah,
was it.
yeah.
Yes.
I got it.
So you see the format. How format
Yeah,
you wanted. 2012, 3, 4 you want. 40312 you want. Like this format, right? It is perfect.
yeah.
40312. Fine.
I
2012.
want to.
To the upper one, upper one.
Uh,
Yes,
yeah,
that is good, right? Good format. Or
yes,
which one, which format you want? DD, MM, YY. This is only the format, right?
yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Select it. Which calendar type you want? Calendar type it is asking. Calendar
Calendar
type.
type, Georgian English.
It is telling Georgia. Do you
Yeah,
want Georgia?
no. It's only having like two options only I have here.
Georgia English you can put it, no?
Yeah, yeah, the format is changed again.
Format it got changed.
Yeah,
Select it. Which one do you want? Scroll down, scroll down. There are a couple of options here.
yeah, I selected this one. Date, month, year. Oh,
What you can do is apply local as a default, then change the this one. Apply local as a default. Change it. India is the thing. Change it.
I think it's
Okay.
changed.
It
Yeah.
didn't change. Okay. So select whole data. Select whole data means you should not select from the new policy from data. You need to select. You have to use shortcut Control Shift downward arrow. Okay.
Okay.
Got it right.
Yeah. Yes.
Go to home. Change the data. Change date. It has changed. Short date, right? Short date you want. So you put it short date. If you want long date, you can put it. It is
Not
already
changing
there.
nothing. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it
not changing
is
nothing much.
done now. It is in the format.
Yeah, it's already in the form.
Okay. Just look into it and change it to. I will just show you. One thing I will show you.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
It is not kind of an automation particular thing.
Okay.
So this one. This is particular thing is there. New
Yes.
product, right? This particular premium policy name, right?
Yeah.
Full policy name is there. First
Yes.
policy name I will be going to tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Will something called as flash fill. Okay. We will be gonna cover that. Okay, in the later parts.
Well,
All right.
yeah.
Don't change anything here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is not our part. Okay. EK. Policy first name. Okay. We'll fill this family. What is the second one? Can you just see and tell me? Another.
Family health optimum health. I know. I know.
What's a policy name?
Fa- Family health optimum.
Okay. So I will tell you. Now I will tell you what thing will happen. Family only, right?
Yes, family health optimum.
Just give me a second, okay?
Yeah. Adarsh.
These are the data cleaning steps, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I will just give you an option. Go to the data tab, okay?
Okay.
There is something called as Just give me a second. Ashwin. What is happening in your part?
What are you looking for, Akash?
I'm looking for flash fill. Yeah, here it is there, right?
Yeah.
So I need to fill in, right? So let's say there is something called as flash fill. So, so I will show you for this one. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Can we create another column here?
Yeah.
Proposer name is there, right? Insurer name.
Yes.
Proposer name is what? Is it important?
No, no, nothing important.
Can you create another column here after proposer name? I will show you.
Basically, both names are the same. Only composer is
Let's
the
write
name.
insert. Go to an insert
Mm-hmm.
and create a one column after the proposer name.
I think suddenly this are not working. I want to refresh it.
Install, no? Install any crack Microsoft Office, you can at least insert, right?
Yeah.
So where is the column here? Column here only it is there. Here it is a column. Where you are selecting? Column is where?
It's, yeah. This one, Akash.
Just give me a second. Just give me a second.
Yeah, sure.
One is you need to perform a data cleaning step. Okay. You need to see which kind of a type of a data it is, first of all,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Select whole from Mr. Kadali to whole thing. Okay.
Yes.
Select whole column, check for home and select the what kind of a data it is. It is a general. How is that
Yes.
possible? We can have it. Right. It should be have some text. It should be some,
Yes.
right?
Text.
Now it is performing perfectly well, right? So the data is not proper format,
Yeah.
cannot perform that, right? So just create another column here, okay, after the proposer name.
Uh,
Can you insert one column? What is happening? What you are doing?
Insert column. When I'm inserting column, it's showing like this. I think it's not correct.
You need to go to the table. Go to the table.
Yeah.
Yeah, select there. No, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. I will give you a understanding.
Yeah, sure.
So what we will do is wherever the, my God, this is fulfiller name is there, right? So what
Yes.
I will do is here this Mrs. Punati Renuka is there, right?
Yeah.
So I will take the first name from this.
Okay.
I don't know which kind of a data it is. What was
Mm-hmm.
the first one? First data? First proposer name?
Puna, first row, Kundali.
What is coming? Nothing is coming.
Cond. Kond.
KO
N
and D.
D D Kundali. Kondale.
You fill in two data values. I will tell you what the thing is.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Fill in second values. Only first name.
okay.
Go to data. Go to data.
It is.
I don't know what kind of stuff they have in the cloud.
Yeah.
So can you see the flash fill here in data tool?
Yes. Yeah.
Can you do that?
Yes.
See, did you get to know what I did?
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. It's totally filled. What
There
is
is
the
some
first name?
concept called flash fill altogether.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So You need to learn lot more. You don't have to see only the courses now. You
Yeah,
have
I totally.
to look for
There are some tools I want to learn also, like a small editing options also. I want to know about that.
yes, yes, data cleaning step, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is what flash fill. What is the disadvantage of this? Shall you will figure out, or I should tell you now?
I will
In
figure
flash
it out.
fill, what is the cons of this particularly? Shall I tell you?
Cons. Wait,
Disadvantage.
I will.
Disadvantage of this concept of flash fill.
Sometimes it's get any misinformation.
No, I wanted to get the now I wanted to get the updated information. Will
Okay.
flash fill will do it for me?
Yes.
Is it? I will show you.
Like
Go back.
in a-
Go to first name now. That go to there and change Mr. Kodali to some another Kodali to some another name.
okay.
Kodali is the name, right? Try to write
Hmm.
your name now.
Okay.
Right. Scroll down now. See, check it out.
It no has no change. Yeah.
I will tell you lot of things I will be gonna tell you. So in this
Okay.
data cleaning step, right,
Yeah.
this concept called flash fill will not get updated again and again. Okay.
Okay.
You need to repeat again and again. Manual step. Number two,
Okay.
it is a manual step. When the data gets changed, you need to repeat once again,
Yeah.
right? Let's say I am doing for some another thing. Now this one,
Hmm.
you have not changed this one, not this
Yeah.
one. Which one? This one, right? Whole data is not in the text format now, right? So
Yeah.
because of that, what is happening? We are not able to apply flash fill here.
Yes.
So go to the home here, home.
Mhm.
See why it was not applying. Did you understood?
Yeah. It's in journal. Has to be in text.
General, it has to be in voice format,
Text. Text.
text format.
Yeah. By everything actually in the Excel sheet is in the general format now. It's in the default option. We have to change everything.
Yes, that is a job of a data analyst, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
you need to do? You
Yeah.
need to
Got it.
check it.
Yeah.
So you have not learned about formatting, sorting, filtering. Have you learned?
No.
No, you have
Yeah.
not learned.
Yes. I not learned about that formatting, that all things. Just I'm learning like uh, what the formulas used, what this function is used
You
in
need
the
to play
particular
with the
case.
data first. Okay. If you see the data, what are the kind of things will happen? What are the kind of a thing is happening? Here, see, there is a 000 empty spaces. Is this data
Just
relevant for me?
no,
Is this required for me?
no.
What kind of a thing I can enter it here?
Like I can delete the data because it is not
No, no,
relevant.
no. You have to think about it. You need to document that. Okay.
Yeah.
So now here, see, if I am entering family here it is not happening. Control E.
Yeah.
Control E is a shortcut to flash fill all the things.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Got it.
See, these are the options here.
Yeah.
See, I am learning in Excel and you are learning in Excel is totally different altogether.
Yeah, you already know, but I'm just starting out now.
No,
Have
I
to
play with
practice
the
more on
data.
that.
Okay. I play with the data. You learn the concept. That is the
Yeah,
difference.
yeah.
Not
Got
because
it.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't
Yeah.
understand basic concepts. See, we don't have to learn a formulas. That is not, you are not doing the data entry there. You are not summing,
Yeah.
you are not an accountant there.
Yeah.
You should understand the data and what you need to do for that. That is what the first thing comes into the place. Problem statement is altogether. You know the problem statement now, right?
Mm, yeah.
Have you come up with the problem statement? Have you noted down in a notion somewhere else? What was
No.
the problem statement? What was the data set? Have you break it down with the data science life cycle?
No.
So this is what the thing is all about.
Yeah.
So you need to check about the type of a data. Each and every
Yeah.
column you need to check which kind of a type of data is there. If this type of data is there, so what kind of type of data it should be.
Yeah.
Did you understood, right? So today in
Yes.
this particular session, what we learned about how we need to change the type of a data.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, what you need to come up with is you need to come up with a data cleaning step. Okay. In an Excel,
Yeah. Sure.
what are the data cleaning concepts you need to learn? Okay. And you
Okay.
need to present it for me for a given Excel sheet. This data on
Okay.
this data, you need to perform data cleaning.
Okay.
Okay. You need to
Okay.
document the data cleaning step and you need to present on the next day this one. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
So totally vertical, we are covering lot of stuffs now, right? So we
This is the data cleaning stuff we actually we done today.
yes, yes. Today what we
The
done? We changed the currency.
yeah, currency and formats.
Yes. So
Formats.
to like you come prepared. What is a data cleaning in an Excel, right?
Yeah. Sure.
So what do you want? You wanted to have a specific session, like end of the day, or like how is it?
Like
First
one second.
learn.
I will.
If you are not getting, I will prepare whatever the data cleaning steps that is there in an Excel. So
Okay.
these are the main concepts you need to learn, something like that. So it will help you out.
Like I
For
will
data cleaning,
try
I
to.
will tell you, there is a something called as flash fill. There is something called text to columns. There is something called as uh, Power Query,
Okay.
Power Query Editor. Anyone will
Okay.
ask this particular questions, right?
Okay.
In these three things, they will be gonna tweak you, ask you everything.
Okay.
So, so if you want another session, I will give you the particular scenarios
Okay. Sure.
in which particular scenario what to use, when to
Okay.
use, when particular use case is given to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't learn a skill that is useless.
Sure.
Learn a skill which is helping you to solve the use case.
Mm, yeah.
Does that making sense, Rakesh?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Making sense. I'm noting down. Yeah.
So from the tomorrow onwards, what kind of a segment will be presentation? Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow's session will be something, the session will start with your assigned task discussions.
Mm-hmm.
Then later on, the recruitment. recruitment kind of a roles that we will be going to apply. Today, that didn't happen because I was some busy with my work. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, it will be something like this recruitment. Then the storytelling will be, if you don't do presentation also, it's fine. Okay.
Okay.
But storytelling should not be
So
skipped. Okay.
yeah,
And
keep doing
after
on that.
that,
Yeah.
you need to come to the concept and you need to explain me. You need to speak it with it clearly. You should speak with curiosity, right?
Sure.
If you do two three things, storytelling, if you do the great, if you do recruitment, if you are introducing yourself with very clarity, if you do
Hmm.
these things right, so this something, everything will come into the place. Otherwise it's not at all useful.
Yeah, sure.
So everything, if I'm coming into the place and I'm telling to you, so will not understand the real use case about behind that.
Yeah.
If you come prepared, if you try to understand where to use, in which particular use case should I use.
Yeah.
See, I have seen the people, okay? So that's why I'm telling, if you don't understand the use case where you need to solve, experience is useless. Really, I am telling
Okay.
this. I've seen the people working on an Excel 10 years down the line. They don't know each and at least function which is required for a data.
So understand the concept which we use in a use case.
Yes, for actual data. For an actual data, what are the kind of a task you need to do? You need to observe that.
For actual data. Right.
It is making sense, right now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like we are solving the real world problems. No? Like we want to before the this I'm learning the skill, but I don't know the
See,
basic formatting also,
learning
editing
is
also.
useless if you don't apply it.
Yeah,
If you don't apply on
got it.
real data, then it is totally useless.
Sure, sure. Yeah, true.
Got it? So work on it, use particular skill to apply.
Yeah.
Okay, not learn. Learn,
Mm,
implement,
apply.
apply. Learn,
Mm,
implement, apply. How it is resulting.
yeah, yeah, Kash.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
sure.
this will be the things. I hope this session was wonderful for you. You
Yes.
something you learned from out of it. I feel
Yeah,
that. Okay. So come prepared enough. Tomorrow come prepared. It's not about me. I am always prepared. Okay.
yeah,
It's not about me. It's about you. You need to take up the job of a data analyst, right?
yeah, sure.
Anyone asks you in the morning or any let's say your parents is asking some concepts. You
Mm,
need to tell like this, like you
yeah,
are telling in sleeping also. You need to tell the concept like that.
yeah, got it.
You should be that much clarity enough, okay, clear
Yeah,
enough in you should be
got it.
practicing is very less, I see in you. Okay.
Yeah,
By seeing at the candidate only, I can understand what they are doing.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I will like I come up with
See,
what I le-
I am able to judge the person even if I am not experienced. Okay.
mm,
Knowledge does not help you anything if you don't apply.
yeah,
You learn a skill, you apply it into several other domains, then only it will help you, right? Let's say, take another data. Now, ask this shopkeepers, hey
yeah,
shopkeeper, give me the data. Go to the restaurants. They will give you the Excel data,
mm,
right? you will get to understand. Don't go anywhere. Go to the Kaggle at least.
Okay.
Take a sales data. Take some another data, right?
Yeah. Right.
You don't have to, in the world of a data, right? You don't have to go anywhere
Yes.
to practice.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So this is
Yeah.
was all about I wanted to say.